Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Tiger's Heart. Today I'm going to show you how to completely transform this condo with the new furniture. I will show you how much I paid for every piece of furniture and appliance in this condo and total cost of everything in it. So please make sure that you watch whole video. First, let's talk about this upload kitchen from IKEA. I bought this upload kitchen for 5,400 euros plus 400 euros to assemble it and plumber for 50 euros. It's a great kitchen with great appliances. As you can see here, this panel for cooking, this baking oven, this beautiful golden piece, this sink, these countertops with matching panels on the wall. Here we have a freezer, down there also the freezer, and here you have various cabinets. As you can see, it's very practical. You can see it has soft closing. Here is also IKEA washing machine, and up there we had also various cabinets. Even here on the top you have small cabinet. All kitchen is surrounded with this matching color mask. It looks very nice. The thing that I'm very proud of is this crown molding. I bought this crown molding on Amazon and I put it myself with a laser. The crown moldings were 300 euros and they are just great. They are stick and peel crown molding, and to put them on this wall it takes me about maybe 6 hours to finish the whole job without silicone and painting again the whole wall. This is beige wimless sofa from IKEA. I bought this sofa for 894 euros in IKEA. It has a full bed. You can take it out. It's a 140 by 200 centimeters wide bed. When you put it out, the sofa is very sturdy. It has metal frame, and these covers can be taken off with zippers, and then you can wash them in a washing machine. Sofa is very practical, and if you want, you can always take this side rest and put another piece of sofa. It can be L-shape or it can be with 3 seats. Everything that you want, you can later add on or remove if you want. Here is Besta TV bench from IKEA. Very simple but practical TV bench. You can see here there is plenty of space inside. It is very easy to assemble. It is beige color and it is very simple but effective piece of furniture. Here I want to show you custom made TV panel with LED lights. It is screwed on this drywall. It is very sturdy. It cost me about 450 euros to made it by carpenter. It is very elegant and it matches color with this TV bench from IKEA. Here we have Schweiger wall mount, very sturdy one. It can take all sizes of TV. You have various holes for nuts and bolts by VESA standard. It is very sturdy. You can move it left, right, up, down and tilt it. And if you want, you can just put it flat here by the TV panel. I bought this Schweiger wall mount for 37 euros. Next is LG Smart TV. I bought it for 339 euros. It was a very good price, big discount, great TV with various AI feature, YouTube, smart TV, etc. It's very great TV for that price. Here you can see kitchen table for 530 euros. It has about matching color with this kitchen and panel, countertop and these wall panels. It is very beautiful. You can see down there, I will show you. It has, just to move this, you can see now, it's so elegant and beautiful. My wife loves it. It's so Pinterest ready. You know what I mean? Beautiful table. Next thing is this chair. My wife bought them online. They are very soft touch beige material. Here you have golden pieces. They are so beautiful and they are matching good with all these colors, warm colors in this condo. They are so beautiful and they are matching very nice with this table. Price of these chairs was about 377 euros. Next is this carpet from IKEA. I bought it online for 128 euros. It is, I don't know, dirty white or beige color. It has these beautiful stripes on it. It's very, very soft and padded. I think it matches perfectly in this living room. It's so beautiful. Next are these curtains from IKEA. I bought it for 88 euros and this holder for curtains is about 30 euros, also from IKEA. There is exactly 4 curtains here. We have 2 this for darkening and 2 this almost transparent white curtains. They added so much luxury to this space. The condo without them is not the same. I think they are one of the greatest thing. Your condo looks very luxurious for small amount of money. Next is this small living room table for 115 euros. It also has a similar countertop like this kitchen table and kitchen. I will try to put them all 3 so you can see here, here, here and here. It's all about similar tone. It's very well matched together. It has beautiful golden frame here, also like chair and chandeliers. It's so beautiful fitted in this space. Now I will show you all lighting fixtures and chandeliers in this apartment. I bought them all for 550 euros. This one was approximately about 150 euros. It is very nice with 6 LED warm lights and golden frame. This one is for me the best looking chandelier in the apartment with this beautiful 3 crystal bowls with elegant and smooth cable, golden frame. It was about 280 euro. It was a little bit expensive, but the full price of this were more than 600 euros, but I bought it on a discount for 280 euro. It adds so much luxury to this space. They are so beautiful. I will show it from afar so you can see it all. You can see now both of them. And this small lighting fixture from IKEA is about 30 euro. It's very basic but effective, so you can see it. And here you can see these kitchen reflectors from IKEA, also very effective. It was very cheap, about 60 euro, but very great piece of lighting fixtures. Here you can see chair and table set, very beautiful design, but it is very cheap, about 179 euros. Here you can see this piece for drying clothes for only 20 euros. Here you can see wardrobe by the entrance of apartment. It cost me custom made about 800 euros. It is very convenient, very easy to open. It has a lot of storage room, as you can see here. It is very great. It has even this piece for taking out luggage. Here are all pieces that are important to electricity. In the bathroom we have this also custom made cabinet under the sink for 250 euro. Very basic one, nothing special. We have this wall full mirror bathroom cabinet with a light, also from IKEA for 243 euros. Very basic but beautiful. Everything here is mirror, as you can see. Here is Samsung washing machine for 543 euros. Very nice washing machine with all kinds of these cycles. This heater here was already part of the apartment when I bought it. Also this beautiful shower. You can see also here the toilet. Everything is very nice. I bought this holder from IKEA, peel and stick, very cheap, about 15 euros. Here in this room you can see this custom made wardrobe. I bought this wardrobe for 1,600 euros. Carpenter made it for me. It has this beautiful LED lights. It has these two pieces. You can here turn off all the lights in the room, and here you can charge two phones or something like that. It is very beautiful. It's so nice custom made piece that make this room stand out. Here is also one basic chandelier from IKEA for 30 euros, but it looks so nice. These bright pieces, straps of light like the sun, it add some luxury to this room. This is a box spring bed that I bought for 694 euros. It has built-in mattress and this upper layer of mattress. It can be opened easy on both sides, and there is huge storage room under it. It is very practical and convenient for this room. In this room there is also one beautiful mirror. I bought it for only 66 euros. It was very discounted. The full price is about 3 times than that I bought it. It has this beautiful frame, as you can see. It's very nice and convenient mirror for this room. As a standard equipment, this room has this Valiant heater, very nice piece of equipment. It also has this electric power windows, very nice. Here in a living room there is Mitsubishi AC unit. It was also standard equipment to this apartment. It is very great piece of equipment. It cools and heats very strong. I also bought some small pieces like cables, sockets, painting set. That all cost about 75 euros, and total amount that I spent on this beautiful little apartment. This apartment has one room, 30 square meters, I spent on it about 14,100 euros. I think it's very budget friendly. You can't go under this amount. Guys, I hope that you enjoy this video. Please like it, subscribe to my channel, and wait for my next video. Bye bye.